So guys, this divergent plate also it is called as constructive plate. Constructive plate, CONSTRUCTIVE, constructive plates. And during this movement, block mountains occur. That is called block mountains. That also occurs. So let us come to number 3. Have you seen 2 plates? Number 3. 2 plates are there, and 2 plates, they are moving to the opposite direction. One is down and another is up. So this gap is there also, filled with something. So one plate is moving down, another plate is moving upwards. So they are rubbing each other. They are rubbing each other. This friction, it is taking place. This movement it is called as Californic plate, CALIFORNIC. That is called the Californic plate. So this transforming, it is also called transforming boundaries. You can write down transforming boundaries. It is known as transforming boundaries. So guys, I think it is clear to you. I am sorry, very much sorry that face to face I am unable to teach you in the classroom. Then I could have explained you in more vivid manner or more clearly, but I am helpless, guys. I am teaching you online. So these 3 figures I have drawn. I am trying to show you. Have you seen this? The first one, it is called the divergent plate or the destructive plate. Volcano or volcanic eruption, earthquake or young full mountains lift up. These phenomena take place, and this is the second one. This is called, what does it call? Just now I have shown you. The first one is convergent, not divergent, that is convergent. The second one is divergent plates. This is the second one, divergent plates. And the third one is, this is Californic plate. So the third one, that is one plate, it is going upwards and it is downward, and other is upward. That is called the Californic plate, or the friction or rubbing take place during this movement.